What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have a lawn leveling rake. I got this lawn leveling rake from Amazon. I will put a link in the description. I just got 3 yards of 50-50 compost and topsoil, and we are about to have some fun. I have to go to work today, so I'm just probably do a little bit of work and some overseeding, and tomorrow I will finish the rest of the lawn leveling and overseeding. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, so in this kit you have like 3 foam couplings right here. Look at it. Maybe for the handle, I don't know yet. Once again, you guys, this do not have instructions, so we are going as is. I guess they figured the only people that's ordering this is people that are already into lawn leveling, so they should already know how to put it together, right? Right. Alright, you guys, so this is obviously the bottom right here where everything is flat and flush. This is the top because it has the handle right here. I think this thing is aluminum. I don't know if it's steel, but once I figure it out, I will let you know if this is aluminum or steel or not. I don't know if that will help you make your decision whether to get this one or not. Like I said, we don't have instructions. Alright, so what I see here is a hole, and they gave us a screw. Let me bring y'all in a little closer. Alright, so they gave us a screw and a nut. They gave us a little hand wrench. You probably seen one of these. And once again, I'm doing this as I go. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly or not, but and it's not trying to do that side. There we go. Alright, you guys, they gave us an Allen wrench or Allen key, whatever you want to call it. Put the Allen key on and we tighten up, but this will take me forever, so I will probably get my drill gun. So we in the middle, and the middle obviously gets the middle part. On here there is a coupling with female threads, right? And on this side it's male threads. So what we're going to do is put our female in the male, or vice versa. The male goes inside the female. Put that on, and this is a twist to it. Now if you don't want the handle that long, you can go ahead and put the last part of the handle on so it's not too long for you. And this part is coming off also. Twist it all together. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the last one. Once again, same thing. Male goes inside female. This is the last handle. Alright, you guys, so that's it. I have all 3 pieces on. Let me back y'all up. Alright, you guys, so I guess it goes this way. Alright, so we have this one, and we have 3 more. I'm assuming that was supposed to go on the coupling. I'm assuming. I don't know, but they gave you 3. I'll check the pictures just to see where they were supposed to go, but I got the main one, that's the most important one, is for your hand, so it could be comfortable. Alright, you guys, let's head to the field. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, you see how much of a dip that is to this ground right here? That is maybe like an inch and a half dip right there. So that's all this do, to just bring it to where it needs to level. Okay, you guys, so what you want to do is put the rake right on top of the dirt pile and just go back and forth. If anybody else got another method, you can let us know in the comments. Okay, you guys, so we are on the final review of the lawn leveling rake, and I can say to you that the rake does work and it works well. Now, the only issue that I had, well, my father had with the rake, was it cut his finger, and it was a pretty decent cut. All right, so I'm gonna show you how he cut his finger, and I'm gonna actually explain what the company could do to better themselves with this product, just in case you cut yourself. But do be aware, wear some PPE gloves, some construction gloves. I got my construction gloves somewhere, but let me show you real quick. So right here on the handle, right here, when he was going back, this actually came off, and when he went back up, the part right here around the edges is sharp, and it gauged his finger when he tried to grip it to go back up, back and forth. And the only thing I could say that they should improve on this is add a cap on the end, or make this a little tighter. It's easy to go off and on for some reason. Like as you can see, it's just easy for me to slip off and slip up. Even if you push up, like say if you pushing up on the rake, you see how far that goes. So for one, I think they need to make it tighter, and two, they need to make a gap. Now they gave us 1, 2, 3 little foam couplings. I don't know what they're for. Maybe they're to cover the silver couplings that's on the pole. Don't really need it, but these 3 pieces are, for me, is just no reason to have them. But other than that, make sure you're wearing gloves, because you will cut yourself. All right, you guys, so that's the end of the lawn leveling rake. I hope y'all enjoyed the videos and my ring camera video of what I could capture using the rake. Let me give you the dimensions on it. I got 39 by 10. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Like, comment, and please subscribe.